Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with BigCommerce for optimizing product page layout. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the BigCommerce website. Go to the home page and look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. Fill out the necessary fields, including your name, email address, and password. Choose a store name that reflects your brand. Select your business type from the available options. After entering all the required information, click the Create Your Store button. Now you will be directed to the BigCommerce dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Products section. Click on Product Pages to access the layout settings. In the Product Page Layout section, you will see various customization options. You can choose to rearrange elements like product images, descriptions, and pricing. Drag and drop components to create your ideal layout. Make sure to preview the changes as you make them. Once satisfied with your layout, save your changes. Next, navigate to the Design section in the dashboard. Here, you can select a theme that complements your brand. Customize the theme according to your preferences. After completing your design, review all changes made. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button to make your store live. Your product page layout is now optimized and ready for customers. Visit your store to see how the changes appear in real time. Regularly revisit these settings to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.